Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best canvas repair kit is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who owns canvas products. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast with a torn tent, an artist with a damaged canvas, or a DIY enthusiast with a sewing project gone wrong, this kit can be a lifesaver. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of canvas repair, exploring what makes a great kit and how to use it effectively. Number 5. Better Boat Clear Repair Tape. Is your awning, canvas, or tent damaged? This heavy-duty clear repair tape is the perfect solution. It's designed to quickly fix tears and rips in various materials. This tape creates a waterproof patch that can withstand heat and sun. It's ideal for outdoor fabrics, ensuring a watertight seal against the elements. The tape is easy to use and flexible, allowing it to conform to the shape of the repair. It's a great addition to any emergency kit for quick fixes. This clear tape blends seamlessly with the material it's applied to. It adheres to various materials like tarpaulin, vinyl, and leather. Better Boat is a family-owned American business. They are committed to providing premium quality accessories. They stand behind their products and your satisfaction. What we like. This clear repair tape is incredibly versatile, perfect for various materials. It's also waterproof and weather-resistant, ensuring long-lasting repairs. If you have a tear in your awning, tent, or even your boat cover, this is the ideal solution. It's easy to apply and blend seamlessly, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. What people say. Worked well to repair rips in awning, very sticky. Thick, rugged, and quite sticky. It sealed the rips in my canvas lawn chair with ease and tenacity. Very high quality. Adheres well to outdoor furniture covers. Number 4. King Mountain Canvas Repair Patch, Black. Tired of tears, scratches, and holes in your favorite fabrics? This patch is designed to help. It's perfect for repairing various damages, making your items look new again. This patch works with many fabrics, including linen, velvet, and leather. You can use it on sofas, tents, car seats, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your repair needs. Made from durable 100% cotton canvas, this patch is both strong and soft. It blends seamlessly with your furniture. The patch reinforces and protects your fabrics. Forget about ironing or sewing. This patch features a super sticky self-adhesive backing. It saves you time and effort, ensuring a long-lasting repair. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty and money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, reach out to us for a full exchange or refund. This offers you peace of mind. What we like. This repair patch is made from durable cotton canvas and features a strong self-adhesive backing. It's designed to repair tears and damage on various fabrics, from sofas to tents. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use patch with a lifetime warranty, this is the perfect choice for you. It's a simple, effective way to extend the life of your favorite items. What people say. The adhesive is really effective and stays in place well. Worked perfectly. The material is tough and it adheres strongly. Number 3. Dulepax Repair Tape, 30-foot x 2.9. Introducing Dulepax Repair Tape, a flexible, thick, and durable solution for all your repair needs. This tape's super viscosity ensures it can perfectly mend rips, cracks, and tears on various items. Made from transparent PET material, this repair tape offers a nearly invisible repair. You won't have to worry about unsightly marks ruining the look of your items. Whether indoors or outdoors, this tape is designed to withstand any weather condition. It can handle temperatures from -30 to 70 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for use across the United States. This repair kit is suitable for tents, awnings, RV covers, boat sails, and more. It works on materials like vinyl, tarp, canvas, leather, and wood. Please note that this clear repair tape is not suitable for all inflatable products or for use underwater. For example, it is not suitable for repairing a swimming pool. We offer 7/24 online customer support. If you're not satisfied, we back it with a guarantee. Ask us anything, anytime. What we like. This repair tape is flexible, durable, and can withstand various weather conditions. It's designed to repair a wide range of materials, making it a versatile choice for any repair job. If you like a tape that can handle extreme temperatures and weather, this is the one for you. It's a reliable solution for both indoor and outdoor repairs. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to repair a canvas tent. The patches are easy to apply and create a strong bond. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 2. Complete repair kit for canvas tents. This complete kit has everything you need. Save money by doing it yourself. It's super easy to use, and you'll be amazed at how simple the repairs become. The Speedy Stitcher easily pushes through tough materials like canvas and leather, creating lock stitches just like a sewing machine. This portable, inexpensive tool has been made in the USA since 1909 and comes with easy-to-follow instructions. Included is a 6-ounce bottle of tear mender, perfect for various fabrics. It's waterproof, flexible, and quick-drying, making it ideal for permanent repairs. A little of this goes a long way, ensuring your repairs are strong and long-lasting. This kit includes over 30 yards of waxed, coarse thread, perfect for canvas repairs. The tan buckskin color thread fits the Speedy Stitcher sewing awl, ensuring a seamless and durable fix. With over 6 square feet of heavy-duty canvas, you can cut the perfect size for your repair. This allows you to patch up any damage and extend the life of your items. What we like. This complete repair kit includes everything you need to fix your canvas items, including a sewing awl, adhesive, and heavy-duty canvas. It's designed to help you avoid costly repairs by doing it yourself. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution that allows you to sew and patch, this kit is perfect for you. It's a great investment for anyone who wants to maintain their gear. What people say. The patch material was heavier than the cover, which is good. I used the glue to glue on the patch, applied to both surfaces, and then the next day I stitched the perimeter of the patch. I cut my patches, one for inside and one for outside, and used the fabric glue to secure them. Then I used the sewing awl to go around it. The thing punches through 5+ layers of canvas easily. It's very easy to use, and once you get the hang of it it's pretty quick. I did not use the needle yet because the glue included was amazing. I cut my patches and liberally applied the glue to both surfaces, and so far they have held after 3 setup and tear downs. Number 1. Tuszom 900D RV Cover Repair Kit. This repair kit is designed for various covers, including RVs, boats, and tents. It's a versatile solution to bring your cover back to life. The adhesive is significantly improved to address common issues like poor stickiness. It provides a stronger bond, even after rain. Made with 900D marine-grade polyester, this fabric is tear-resistant and features an anti-UV coating. This helps prevent damage from sun and wind. Simply cut the patch to size, peel off the backing, and apply it to the damaged area. No sewing or ironing is required, making the process quick and easy. We are committed to providing quality products and excellent customer service. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we will respond within 24 hours. What we like. This RV cover repair kit features a heavy-duty self-adhesive and is rip-resistant with an anti-UV coating. It's designed for easy application, allowing for quick and instant repairs. If you have an RV cover or boat cover that needs patching, this is the ideal choice. It's a durable and convenient solution to keep your covers in top condition. What people say. The 3 sheets are large enough to cover corner tiers and sticks fantastically. This was very easy to use and has reinforced the cover in the weaker worn spots. This set of 3 large adhesive patches is low cost for what you get. The patches seem to be sturdy canvas with adhesive backing. They were easy to cut with good scissors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.